Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ma Victoria Baris. We are here again in our farm where we are building our house. And this one was being dig by Backhoe. We renting the backhoe for about one day. No, it's only 6 hours. And you know how much to rent the backhoe? It costs us a lot of money. It was like we spent like 25,000 peso for digging this one and bringing this is the backfill to be put inside the house because it's a bit deep. So they dig also the for septic tank, for septic tank, and this is they still continue this one of roofing, still the garage. And this is the second they dig. This is for septic tank. And this one they backfill inside the house. It was inside in our house. And there is one digging that is for septic also. And they flatten a bit the hills. And this is the third digging they do. This is for the septic tank, and mostly the backfill they put inside the house. And they do this road, and this is the one they flatten. And still big area of our place. And this place too is included to our property. It's really huge. So that's it for today, guys. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and comments. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. God bless everyone.